Are you thinking about starting a business in Sweden? Here are some of the things that we've noticed that might need to be considered before beginning. So first of all, can you just start doing business in Sweden, or do you need to start a company? And in case you do need to start a company, what type of company do you need to start? Second, are there any sort of registrations that needs to be done with, say for example, the Swedish tax authority? Third, are you going to have employees in your company? And in case you are, do you need to hire Swedish employees, or are there any sort of registrations that needs to be done before hiring? And fourth, what suppliers or systems do you need to run your business whilst in Sweden? At ECIT, we're experts in establishing foreign companies, and we can help you with everything from complicated registrations and VAT to helping you once you're ongoing with accounting and payroll and all the systems that might adhere to that. So, if you're thinking about starting a company in Sweden, don't hesitate to reach out to us and we'll help you with everything you might need along the way.